educating the society and the surrounding areas or the villages.
Only for
When he was pursuing his B.Ed, he had been thinking of starting a new English medium school, neither in Rajahmundry nor Nirdavallu, East and West Godavari districts. One day, he was invited by his brother-in-law, Erneni Uma Prasad Garu, to Mudinepalli to start up the school there. Therefore, in 1968, the first English medium school in Krishna and East and West Godavari districts, Little Flower English Medium High School and Junior Degree College. His main motto was to educate people in rural areas in English for their children's future well-being, so that they did not have to go to cities or towns for a good quality education. He also started a hostel, dairy farm with food supply and horse riding facility with stables. It was administered by his wife Visalakshmi Garu, who supported him in all aspects and was a part of whatever he did. Students all over South India and the three districts, East and West Godavari Krishna districts, was provided a good education and facilities in the infrastructure they need for education. His main aim was to give a good education for rural area children. So, he appointed many of the teachers from foreign countries like England, Australia, Africa and Anglo-Indians and some other South India states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. He introduced bridge courses and ensured that extracurricular activities like essay writing, education for social and emotional development and building essential life skills, all delivered through engaging and interactive activities and suitable for young learners. He was generous and supportive towards backward communities and helped economically poor students. He used to give personal care to each and every child. To maintain the discipline, he created an effective, organized and respectful learning environment with the support of his brothers, Mr. Raghuramai Garu and Mr. Rajendra Prasad Garu, and also he was a guidance light for them. During Divisema floods, he gave food and garments for the victims. The children who passed out from this school were getting instruction and guidance as well as encouragement for their higher education in different aspects to reach their goals. He provided the best laboratory, library, computer class and a good recreation facilities to develop their skills. His best friend was Mr. Kevin Booth from England. He was the follower of Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, Sita Ramaraju. He believed in serving humankind. He could serve God. The mission did not care about caste or religion. He believed only in equality. One example of his vision and humanitarian nature was his adoption of a family from a